Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on Quick Add on Snapchat. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. This is a convenient feature used to add people you may know to your friends list quickly and effortlessly with just a single tap. Whenever you try to access the Add Friends section, you can see this Quick Add section. This feature suggests potential friends by showing their display name, username, avatars, and the number of mutual friends or contacts you share. And what if you want to turn this on? Actually, by default, it turns on for the Quick Add, and maybe you accidentally turn off the feature and you don't know how to get this enabled again, to turn this on again. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can tap on the up left corner on your Bitmoji icon on here. You can tap on the up right corner. You can go to your settings. Now you can scroll down. On privacy control section, there is an option See Me in Quick Add. You can tap on that. Now you can just tap on the checklist on here, fill the block in here. So Quick Add help friends find each other on Snapchat. You might appear in other Snapchatters Quick Add if you share mutual friends or another connection. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn on Quick Add on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.